everyone, what's up? It's Raya, and today I have a very exciting video. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating the Ariana Grande 34 plus 35 music video makeup. I'll insert a picture here. I watched the video yesterday because it just came out yesterday, and I was just floored by this look, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, I know I want to recreate that. So I thought I would do it today, and I thought everyone would probably be interested because who doesn't love Ariana Grande? Most people do. So I'm going to recreate it. It's going to be kind of difficult. I've never done a graphic liner like this before, and I literally went to buy white eyeliner today. Well, yesterday, because I wanted to film it yesterday, but couldn't find the white eyeliner. So I ordered it for pickup at Target, and I literally bought it just for this video, but I'm glad I'm gonna have it now, obviously. So I'm just gonna get right into the video because I don't want to drag this intro on too long. So I'm going to be starting with my eyes today since this is a graphic liner and I don't want to mess up and then have to take off my foundation. So if I mess up, it'll be kind of easier to fix it. And I'm going to be using tape today, which I honestly barely ever do. So I think tape will make this look more clean. So that's what I'm gonna try out. But first I'm just taking some of my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm taking a ColourPop F31 brush, and I'm just gonna take the concealer and put it on my lids and kind of out here too. And this is just going to be our eyeshadow base. I don't really use eyeshadow primer, so if anyone has a good eyeshadow primer that I should try out, or a primer you'd like to see me try out, please let me know down below in the comments. But usually I just use concealer. And today I'm just going to be using my Morphe 35V palette because it has a few different brown shades that I think I can use to create this look. And I'm first going to start with this shade right here on a E22 ColourPop brush. And I'm just going to run that through my crease. I just realized I totally forgot to put tape on first, so good thing I only did the crease because nothing got out here. And I'm just using clear tape, and I'm just going to line it up with how my lid kind of like makes a shape, and I'm just gonna line it up to that, or try to. That's just gonna help us create a really clean line for the eyeliner. Dang, I like never do this. It feels so strange. But it's gonna be totally worth it once we get the finished results. Okay, now our tape is down, and this will allow us to really build up color and not have to worry about a big mess. And I'm gonna keep going into this color and really building up the crease and kind of going up above it too. And now I'm going to take an E27 brush and go into that one, and just a tiny bit of this one, but mostly the one we're just doing, and really concentrating in on the crease now, because in her look, it kind of looked like a cut crease, and I don't really want to do a cut crease, so I'm just going to focus the color there. And now with this E26 brush, I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm gonna start packing that on my lid. I think I'm just gonna take this E27 brush and build it up even more and kind of go outwards again. And that's all I'm doing for the actual eyeshadow part because it looked really simple in the photo. And now here comes the hard part, the part that I'm nervous for because I'm not the best at eyeliner, and I will be the first to admit that. And I'm just going to be using the NYX Matte for the black eyeliner part because it looks like she had black eyeliner and then she did the white graphic liner over top. I'm hoping the tape will make this a bit easier. I'm like kind of shaky right now, so we'll see. And the tape makes it so you can just like go along it and then kind of fill in after that. One wing is done. Onto the other one. I think it will look really good once I'm able to pull the tape off. Looks a little thick, but it's a recreation. It's not like exactly the same, obviously. It also doesn't help that I think my black eyeliner is running out because of Halloween. Okay, the black is done. I think it looks probably one of the best times I've ever done my eyeliner because of the tape. The tape really helps. I usually just don't take the time to put tape on, but I really want to try to nail this look because it is so cool and it's just challenging. But I'm glad that I'm challenging myself and going outside of what I'm used to because that's the only way I'll get better with makeup and anything else, going outside of your comfort zone. So just gotta wait for the black to dry completely. I don't want to mess that up, please. I also want to know what you guys think of her new album because I listened to it and I would say a big fan of Ariana's, especially more recently, like Thank You Next. I could listen to that album on repeat. But this album, I liked it. I did. Most songs I liked, but most of the collaboration songs I didn't like, and I don't know why. I guess I just like her sound, authentically just her instead of with other people. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought. I really want to know because I'm just so curious what you guys thought. My friend Kaylee and I always talk about music a lot and we like a lot of the same music, so we were texting back and forth and it was just very different for Ariana, I think, but it's also cool to see her step into a new realm of music, so I will still listen to probably quite a few of the songs on the album. Okay guys, I think it's the moment to really tackle this look. My eyelids aren't quite as nice as hers. They're kind of hooded. Hers don't seem to be. We're just gonna do the best that we can with what we have. I'm excited to use this. It's the NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eyeliner. I have the red one. I used it in my friend's palette review. I can link that down below if you want to see a red eyeliner, but we're gonna be using the white. Ooh, this is kind of goopy. I don't know how that's gonna work. So I think I'm gonna attempt to go over the line here first and then go into the graphic part. Sound like a plan? Okay. Okay, and sorry that I have to use a small mirror, but if I don't, I will totally mess this whole look up. Okay, I didn't. Oh, shoot. About to say I didn't totally mess it up. I can always go back in and make the black a little more defined or go over some of the white. I think I did okay. No, I'm not breathing. Okay, that's kind of sick. I'm happy. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so fun! I might have made the wing like go out a little bit too much, but that's fine. Now I'm gonna attempt going in to my crease a little bit. Then I'll probably do the other eye off camera because this video is taking a while and I haven't even gotten to the face makeup at all. So this eye is like pretty much done, except for I cannot move because I do not want this white to go anywhere. So I will do my other eye and then I will see you guys. It's not exactly like hers, but I still think it's pretty freaking cool. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so I'm back and my eyes are done. I hope they're fully dry. I have eyeliner all over my eyelashes and I'm probably just ripping my eyelashes out, so I should probably stop. But oh my gosh, this is so cool and it's not exactly like hers. That's totally fine. I don't care. I just wanted to try and recreate it, and I was gonna take the tape off, but I was like, oh, they'll probably want to see that, so. Okay, ready? Whoa! Except for it must have been a little wet right there, so I'm gonna have to fix that, but I definitely didn't place the tape the same on both sides. So now I'm gonna put eyelashes on, and my eyeliner is still a little wet, so. And I'm just gonna be using the Eyeliner 117 lashes, but I just have them in this case because I have used them before. And yes, these are glue-on lashes. I know I don't use them as often as I used to. And I'm just gonna pop these lashes on really quick and throw on a mascara too. And I'm just gonna use my CoverGirl Total Tease mascara to blend in my lashes, especially all the pieces that have white eyeliner because I got it everywhere. I'm probably gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera because the important part was just the eyes, which are now done. Again, they're not exactly like hers, but they're pretty dang cool. And I will see you guys after that. And that is our finished look for today. I tried my best at copying Ariana. Inspired by Ariana. It's not the same. I really enjoy it. And I'll go over the products that I used, just so you guys know. For the black eyeliner, I used the NYX Matte Black Eyeliner. For the white eyeliner, I used the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. For the eyeshadow, I used the Morphe 35B palette. For my eyebrows, I used the Morphe brow pencil. For my foundation, I used the Tarte Face Tape. For my bronzer and my blush, I used the e.l.f. contouring blush and bronzing powder. For my powder, I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. For concealer, I showed you guys earlier, I used the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. For my lips, I used the ColourPop Just a Tint. It's a little more pink than her lip was in the video. She had more of a brown lip, but I don't really own brown lips. My eyelashes are 117 by Eyeliner. My mascara was the CoverGirl Total Tease. Am I forgetting anything? Oh, and for my highlight, I used this Profusion contour palette, and there's 2 highlight shades and I mix them together. No, I think I got it all. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really like how the look came out. It looks super cool. I definitely want to try out more graphic liner in the future. And this look really pushed me outside of my comfort zone, but I really enjoyed it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below. What did I say to comment down below? Oh, comment down below if you like Ariana Grande and what you think of her new album. If you like this video, give it a like down below, and please subscribe down below if you have been watching my videos or like my videos. I'm trying to reach 100 by the end of the year, and I'm going to keep saying that because I really want it to happen. Thanks again for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!